We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hello, folks. It's time for our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice 彭，
我係 Joseph Ling and 千万不要咳嗽这个时候，你知道为什么吗？因为根据这个报道指出啊，3月份通常都是流感最高峰的时候。Yeah, according to health officials, in March, normally in March, it's the peak season or the peak period for flu. And so everyone should be extra careful with that. And so right here, I just want to remind people of a few things that you can take, some precautions that you can take that could avoid yourself from catching the flu. For instance, first, you should have a balanced diet. All right. Secondly, you should exercise regularly. Thirdly, well, of course, you got to wash your hands as frequently as possible. And finally, try to avoid places that are crowded, and especially places that have bad ventilation. And I think if you take these 4 points seriously, I think you could avoid the flu as much as possible. 刚刚跟大家来这个呼吁一下啊，就是一些可以准备的动作跟预防的动作，不要去得到这个流感。
錯，
對不對？
冇錯，均衡嘅飲食。
什麼？均衡。均衡 okay. 飲食 Oh, that's the balanced diet right there. Okay.
集運動。
集也是哈卡嗎？即係講到第二，集運動啊。
錯啊。
哈卡這樣講嗎？
做對啦。
集運動。Oh, that means exercise regularly. Number 3.
洗漱。
又要洗漱了
没有洗手
洗手对啊，好久以前教過漱就是手不是 tree okay that means wash your hands regularly and then
還有避免到人多嘅蔬菜凍尖嘅蔬菜或者係通風不良嘅地方
that means avoid crowded places and bad ventilation places 你剛剛講人多擁擠是怎麼講
人多啊
人多
按尖啊
按尖啊
我尖胸下啦
按尖是擁擠
就尖胸下擠在一起啦
OK 人多按尖 that means crowded places 只要小心啊如果說 same 按尖是很漂亮same 按尖就是小姐你太急了那樣子
same 按尖
OK 剛剛聽到感覺好像你在講按獎So there you go. Hopefully you'll have a safe March or actually a safe year, okay? That does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家
俺只say張偉了
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.